Hey guys, it's me and Raven.
It's me, XX Raven190XX.
Yeah, I'm obviously like on Raven, gonna go on Raven's account. She's gonna go on mine. We're not gonna tell you our passwords. Basically, we're like best friends, so we can like trust each other. We're gonna pretend to be hacking each other. It's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we've also given each other some makeovers, but spend no money.
Yeah. Shh, I'm kidding. Don't worry. I'm not that mean. Whoa, how did this girl get like all of that stuff? She's got galaxy hair and Christmas dress. What?
Text me it.
No, it's the person on the front. I'm going to check your messages because I'm weird. You have to block me for not to send them. Huh?
No! Text me the password.
Oh, I've already. Wait. No.
Not on MSP, not on MSP.
Oh, in real life. Okay.
Did you record your password?
No.
Okay.
I'm not that dumb. Okay, maybe I am. Shut up. Alright. Never kiss. Okay,
Everyone waiting. Text me.
Yes,
Text me at 5%. I only have 5%.
No. Wait, on your phone?
Yes!
Wait, you put it on charge then?
Yeah, I am. No, my iPod's on charge.
Are you on your iPod?
I'm on both.
Wait, shall I message your iPod or your phone? Ah! So, you don't have 21 diamonds.
I didn't say. Yeah, no. When you add them all up in my piggy bank.
Oh, right, yeah. Okay. Oh, my. Okay. I am texting you it. I am changing my password after this.
Yeah, same. We don't trust each other.
Yep, no. We may be
Yeah,
best friends, but we still don't trust each other.
Text me before I marry you.
Yes, I'm doing it.
I'm sorry, we are very passive aggressive.
No, we're not. Shut up.
Why did my phone just make like an ugly noise?
What the hell?
Oh, you told me the wrong password.
Oh, it's probably through. I totally didn't say it. It's probably that instead.
I haven't even logged in, and it's probably been like 3 minutes.
It has been 3 minutes.
You told me the wrong password, Moo. The
Well, what is it then?
No, the 3 one. The one that you texted me before was right, and then the one after it was wrong, and you told me that one before.
The first one.
We need to
630.
say, Moo, I need to say recording.
630. Okay.
Moo, say it on my thingy blog. That
Rec.
I'm recording.
I just put rec.
Yeah, Moo, I said recording. Send me.
Oh,
Yes.
I'll do that.
Yeah.
Rec. Send gifts
That's the
for
rub.
mail
Hi.
time, please. Kiss.
Kiss. Okay, just shut up.
Oh, I want to, I'm reading your messages. Cola's cute.
Who's cute?
His name.
My
Cola's
app.
cute. I'm reading your,
Don't read my messages or I'll read yours.
I'm reading your messages.
I I'm giving you like a really good makeover.
Why did someone just say to me, blah? What? Cat, please don't attack me. The cat's trying to attack me. Okay. Happy birthday, my dude. Me, yeet. I don't know. I'm a potato. Thank you. No problem, man, because I'm a potato. Obvs. Yeet.
Boo, come on.
Hey, what are you up to?
Do the
Never mind.
makeover. Come on.
No, I'm reading your stuff. Conversation with the gal. I don't know.
Moo, I'm doing.
Be hyper. Thank you.
You're
Same.
taking-
Damn, I look hot. What the hell? Smoke weed every day. I'm the right. You burnt my eyes. Ooh. Like I burnt your house down? Ooh, do I want to be nice or evil? I don't mind, winky face. Enjoy wearing it. Thank you. I will. Me sad. Why? My boyfriend unboyfriend me for a fussy. Cry face. Cry face. Can't.
Oh yeah, I got him back.
So
Moo,
rip my dude. Also, look at my comment on your pic. Never mind. So hot, Rave. I will. Can I be in it? Sure, Ravey, Ravey. Just watch it. It helps a lot. Okay, keep
That
FML.
doesn't make you look really
Hello, hello, Rave. Cool, what up?
2,
Look what you're wearing, then look at me. Kawaii.
1. Moo, come on. Let's do the makeover finally.
I'm a lady. He said I'm a lady. Now I'm a man. Well, I don't know. That's really weird. What?
Yeah, I've done your makeover.
Oh, I want to see this beautifulness. You probably spent my money. It looks like you have a penis.
What?
Hey! Probably not online. Oh wow. Oh, you have more friends than me now. Now you got a year's VIP. You poo head.
Yeah, it's so sad. I'm allowed like 2,000 friends, and then I only have 3.
Did you buy anything?
No.
Can I buy something on yours?
No.
You look really ugly. Wait, I'm gonna make a dream look for you.
I already made a dream look for you.
Wait, did you buy anything?
No.
Oh my god, I have to see this. What did you do? Go on to it. Oh no. I'm really scared. Oh my god! What is that thing? Oh my god, I had that for Christmas.
Oh my god. Can I spend stuff on yours?
Okay, you have a limit to spend, okay? 1,000.
No spending diamonds.
No, you're only allowed to spend 1,000, okay?
Only 1,000.
And same on yours.
1,000 makeover, Moo.
Huh?
1,000 makeover, okay? I just need to do your face because it's ugly.
I need to do your
Like,
face.
really
'cause it's
ugly.
really ugly.
Spend 1,000. Oh my god, I'm gonna buy you like loads of lips because your VIP is running out soon. Oh yeah, I forgot you've got a week. Shut up. I'm
Spending
very smart.
Okay,
People are gonna be like, what the hell is her makeover? The like sexiest thing you've ever seen in your life.
I'm gonna get a full, oh, I wanna make the, oh, you can't change the color. Oh, you got a man nose. I'm gonna make your face full VIP.
Same. I basically was anyway.
Yeah.
Okay, you need some better eyeshadow.
I think I
I'm
just
gonna get you
remember
some
something. Oh, you look blue. I might make you blue. I'm gonna make you fully blue. Yes. You're gonna love
Why
this.
not black or red?
Cause I'm not racist.
Not racist.
Duh. Oh, stupid.
I'll make you fully blue as well then.
Okay.
No, I'm making you look aesthetic.
Yeah, I'm never aesthetic.
Or trying to anyway. I've already spent the limit.
Okay, let's spend as much as we can. Because it's fun.
Okay, spend all my coins, but none of my diamonds.
No diamonds, no diamonds. Cat, stop crying, I don't like it. I trapped the cat in my room. I'm so evil.
Okay, we need to actually make good makeovers though.
Okay, let's make good ones. Oh, we only have 5 minutes left.
Same.
Wait, why do we have to make it look good?
Because we need to, like, it's supposed to be...
Let's make it something that we would like. Let's make you quite
God.
tanned. Oh, that's the same colour as the
hurry
blush.
up, hurry up. We only have, like, 5...
That is a bit too... You know.
No diamonds.
Whoa, orange much. Yeah, I know. Can I buy you a new outfit as well?
Yeah, I'm buying you a new outfit.
Yeah. Okay, that's a bit too tanned. This one.
Please don't make me look like Donald Trump.
You are Donald Trump.
Excuse me?
Okay, eyes. You need better eyes. These eyes are disgusting.
Oh, I bought those eyes for you.
Okay, I like these eyes. These eyes look good. Wait, no. Oh, them eyebrows on fleek.
Oh, Moo, that's just really... Oh, no, it's diamonds. Oh, no.
Ha.
Sad. I was like, yes, there's this... Oh, never mind.
You're gonna hate me. These eyes, though.
Moo, it's going to be a good one, okay? Moo, we're supposed to be making a
Yes.
good
Oh
makeover.
my god, you look so weird.
Mara! Good makeover!
I am. Right, what do I want one eye to be? I want this eye to be random color. Shut up, cat. You know I love you. Oh, I do not want that eyebrow color. No, go back to black.
Okay, so I'm gonna buy this. Oh shit.
Oh, I can change the eyelash color. I'm not doing that. That's. Is this it? Oh, it's the middle color random. Okay. So I'm guessing it's like this color. Okay, random. Okay. Let's go with that. Wait. Was this the original thing? Shut up, cat.
Okay, I bought her this hat because it's her birthday. Oh, by the way, go like send her gifts. It's Marla's birthday, aka 360 units of her. Go send her gifts.
Oh, Rosie wants to FaceTime.
Don't you dare hang up on
I'm not going to. I'm just gonna leave it. Oh my god. Sorry, Rosie. Love you. Mwah. I'm kidding. That's really weird.
What's that?
I don't know. Leave me alone. Right, I'm gonna change the color of these lips. Sophia, we have a minute.
Sheep.
Okay.
I've done mine.
I haven't done mine. Okay. Bye. I'm sorry. I've already spent 1,500 of your coins. On a face.
That's what I just think you can stop.
You look so weird. Oh my god, that turned out way worse than I expected. Okay, clothes. Okay, what are you for? You have a minute.
Bye, guys.
No, not yet.
Okay. Oh my god.
No, I'm not done yet. I'm just gonna pick a dress. Oh my
Okay,
god.
so-
Stop.
okay.
Oh my god, it's stupid glitching. No, no. Come on, come on, come on. Dress, dress, dress. Ugh. What? Why did I? Clothing. I have 30 seconds. Okay,
Oh, I have 30 seconds.
Oh my god!
Right,
Okay, take all this off. Take all this off. This color. No, not yet. Yeah.
Bye.
This is the final thing. So, yeah,